guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this show started.
Know what I'm saying?
Mayhem 12 hours is about to get underway.
We're actually gonna make 12 hours today, so we might be going till 9, 9:30, just depending on how many delays and pit stops y'all take. The pits, it's kind of subjective, but no pitting out the pits. You can tell when you take off, you see the sticks off. 17-second minimum lap time, so. Yeah. No height restriction.
Meeting is completed. They are like 2 or 3 minutes away from the start of Mayhem, and the teams are scrambling to get their last minute things ready and do final preparations. Some teams made some modifications to their pit zones overnight. I heard one dude broke all of his coppers yesterday and was up till 4 in the morning rebuilding them. Hey look, Patrick's got his own VIP tent.
Hey look, I'm on my own team, guys.
Last minute before the start, teams are getting their pilot 1 into position. I think I'm gonna go try. I don't know where I should do this.
Amari, push harder!
Hands free.
Alright, hey, watch your heads, you dirty animal!
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pilots, captains, managers, and teams.
Look at that.
12 hours of Mayhem is about to start.
Yes, crashes. All right, 12 hours of Mayhem is underway, and they're doing 12 hours of racing, so there's any cautions and things like that happening, and they'll be doing stops where they stop the clock, so this ought to be very interesting. But lap number 1 of Mayhem about to be in the books. I don't know who's flying what, but we'll get to that in a minute here. They got live streaming and all that, so keep up to date throughout the day. Hour number 1 of Mayhem started at 7:15 a.m. Okay. So, first pit stop should be happening pretty quick here. They only really run 3, maybe 4 laps each. So there's a lot of pit changing.
No, I'm good. No crashing, everybody.
Dude, Evan was gonna go up first, but Evan, his quads were a little weird, he wasn't sure, so I ain't scared. I'm scared. Like 20.7 on it, that's what he had with me. So I stepped up there, I'm good. We're gonna lay down some 20s today.
19, make it home. Make it home. Get through that first finish. Alright, Mondo is pitting. Sky, you're up next. Woo! Oh shit. Hey, let's not do that. Yeah, let's not do that.
Okay, guys, when you're pitting, there's an extra hurdle that was not there before. It's not. Oh shit.
Easy on the pit. Easy on the pit. Right.
I'm coming.
Heads up, bro.
There you go. Good
Good pit. Alright, Amari, you're up next. Nick, you are Chiefy, you are in the queue.
Get him on the strip. They're a great fucking pack, Evan.
Great fucking time.
Mari, go, Mari, go. Nick, you better go.
A little hot. We started at 7:15. It's almost 8 o'clock now. So about 45 minutes into Mayhem. And Velocidrone and Heart of America and Team White Goat are the top 3 so far. Heart of America and Velocidrone have been going back and forth, and White Goat's been keeping contact, but early, it's been real cold this morning compared to yesterday. Windy, and guys got cold fingers, cold hands. There's been a lot of wrecks out there, so it's should be a pretty interesting race. The pit strategies, there's been a couple penalties for speeding in the pits, so good times. I love that sound. 8:05 and caution number 1 is underway, and they're doing retrievals because there's,
going for 50
I don't know,
31
several
seconds.
dozen copters out on the field. So this is when your RC fitness kicks in. Everybody starts running around, finding their stuff.
The penalties so far have been applied. I'm just waiting on one, and I'll come back as they're under the
There's one, there's 2, 3. Dude, they're everywhere.
I don't know why I walked.
It's like a graveyard.
But anyway, as far as I'm flying, feeling pretty good on the track.
Anybody?
Maybe. What's it look like?
No. No.
I can't see. 2-1.
That's something. I don't know who that is.
Red stripes?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Thank you. Was there a battery with it by chance?
It was right here.
It was right there.
Yeah, this is where I...
Battery over there.
There's one over there with red tape.
That would be it.
Good job on the red tape. You got another one, Amari? You got one more?
I got one battery.
Oh, battery, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So it gives it a...
Be like battery way over there.
What?
There's one battery way.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, really? What color prop, Susie?
Probably green.
Probably. I like probably. Most likely. All right. It looks like most people are returning. There's some missing batteries. There's some copters stuck in the gate up there. Oh, they got it. Their sweet retrieval device. It's still tangled up in the retrieval device. Oh, we got a swamp copter. This is Miwo.
Here's one. Purple top.
Is that it? No? Rue?
Red. Fucking sweet.
Thanks, man.
What's up,
It
Charlie?
was way over there. Hey, Chris. You still looking for one?
Yeah, I had some.
They got one out of the fence over there. No, that was his.
Here's a quick list of the penalties that have been updated. Heart of America, outside of their pit, 2 penalties.
Somebody might have turned it in. Sometimes they grab them and they turn them in. The time is now 9 o'clock. They're a little past an hour into racing. There's 2 cautions for probably about 30-ish minutes of downtime. Basically, Heart of America is leading right now. Velocidrone's down at the end. They're in 2nd spot. Team White Goat's running 3rd. And there's a couple laps separation at the front. Let's see if I can get this.
Not really? A little bit?
morning is carrying on. Still have several more hours of racing to go. Or another caution.
We will get our remote officials
teams
to verify that.
call the
5 minutes
cautions.
have now started.
They each get so many cautions per
And we will now
day, and they use them as they see
we will
fit.
now do a little video.
Look, there's Patrick.
Okay.
This might be an easy one. I don't see so many dead bodies this time. There's just a handful. So maybe one team's running out of copters, and they got to get them all back to carry on. We're gonna go out here and see if we can help Nick find his, because he lost video when his went down, and that could mean anything is possible. Oh, look, there it is. Is that it?
It's alive!
It was a battery. But where is it?
Big orange one somewhere.
All right, you go that way, I'll go this way. There it is. Oh, wait, no, that's not it. If on the battery's skin. So if that was the skin, that means that, oh, it could be swamped. Oh, there it is. Yee! That's a good one. It's better than littering, folks. It's better than littering.
We'll take it. We'll take it.
And speaking of littering, let's pick up these props. Only because I have the camera rolling do I pick up the trash. Oh, those guys are in Hurt Town. Let's go see if we can help them. Pro tip, dude, if you're ever doing drone things, you always help people find their stuff, because it makes your stuff show up faster. See, all I had to do was walk over here and try to help, and their stuff showed up. That is some quadcopter recovery. Back from an errand run, I had to go get some supplies for the crew, and they just finished another extended caution for some track repairs. The wind's really picked up, so it was playing havoc with some of the gates. They added some guide wires or tensioners to keep them from blowing around. But back underway. Heart of America, I believe, still at the front by a couple laps. Velocidrone in the 2-spot. TBS moved past White Goat at some stage. So 240 for HOA, 234 for Velocidrone, and 205 for TBS, 202 for White Goat. So that is at 111 minutes on the race clock, but 10:15-ish right now, so we're 3 hours from start time. And the time is now almost 10:45, so we're like 3.5 hours in. We're gonna do a walk on the backside to see all the wildlife. There's more people here. Look, it's Miwo, and Vanny's here. Yeah, hey, it says no. But lots of action going on. There's been, I want to say, like 4 or 5 cautions so far. Some by teams, some by the race officials. Some of the teams are calling cautions because they run out of copters, so they got to go out there and get some to fix. Six or so. HOA with 446 laps, and Velocidrone with 437 in the 2-spot. Third place is TBS with 395. Oh, and Quad Doc's pizzas are here. Thanks, Quad Doc. I'm just trying to get as close as I can. Hopefully it's safe behind this sign. This is not safe. Yeah, this is not safe at all. This is the start-finish gate, in case you're wondering. One of these pit stops.
So there's 24 possible breaks that could happen over the course of the day. And
so right now, Chief is flying down on the end. He's going to come in, hit the pin,
so it is
strategic
when you break, so you can bring in the rest of your drones, and you could be fixing while the rest of your pilots are flying, sort of thing. So very strategic. Again, 4 down of our possible 24 from team of the day. And again, that was strategic.
Crash map, they mark where they crash. It's pretty smart, because when you lose a copter out there, you kind of forget where it was. So you want to be able to find it right away. Another caution.
Start the timer clock.
There was a down gate, so they do a competition caution by the officials, and that allows the team.
Going to start that timer clock.
Go out to the drone graveyard.
Officials just take a
and grab all of these down copters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. No, that's a battery. That's not 19. 19's over there. 20 and 21 at least that I've seen as I walked across here. That is a lot of down gear. I think it goes with that one. That's Team Waco with the pink. Dude, it sheared the metal right off of it. Ha! Sorry about your luck, bud. There's one over here. Always unplug them, just in case.
That's me, Charlie. Thank you, sir. There's a battery in a...
It's unplugged. Gentlemen, appreciate you. This is Chief's. I know Chief put his name on it. Look how smart he is. There's Lundy. So tall.
Crew of
Chief!
Dallas CDI, host chapter, Dallas, Texas, for 2021 edition.
Your name's on it, dog.
I love that.
And it always has a round battery parked next to it too. That's pretty common.
Unfortunately, that's part of it.
Alright, she looks good. Oh, we got one more in the middle. I'll put this in the air. I just feel like people won't even want their copters sometimes. What's up, little buddy?
You see here with the cautions, but unofficially, we're 2 minutes.
Yeah, it matches.
To go here under this caution.
Gator.
The caution is once everyone's down, the 5-minute timer starts. So when the timer, when caution is called, we put live time into a yellow caution mode.
Allows everyone to finish up their last lap.
Gator.
And then the red, we will go with a red flag once everyone's down, and that's when the 5 minutes start.
Red props right here.
Timer.
Probably heavy. Nice, Charlie.
Clock.
Good job, teams.
The clock does officially stop when that 5 minutes starts to roll. Once everyone's down, that's we know for certain.
Look, there's Tim. All right, Mayhem updates. It's been a minute. I don't know when the last time I checked in is, but now it is 10 after 3, and there's been a lead change. Heart of America had, at one stage, they had up to, I think, a 12-lap lead over Velocidrone, and now Velocidrone has taken over the top spot. They have 753 laps to Heart of America's 752, so it's very close right now. But considering that Velocidrone had to make up 12 laps, I mean, that's almost 3 minutes of time. So Heart of America had some problems with mid-air crashes, whatever, just like you do in drone racing. Velocidrone started out with all those problems and kind of recouped and made a comeback. I don't know, more than 6 hours of racing left. I think there's just 6 hours and like 20 minutes left. They're almost at the halfway point. They've had 7 or 8 cautions, if I remember correctly. Evan Turner from Heart of America, he has fast lap, I think 19.5 or 19.4, and he's got like second fast lap. And Winston is dancing, but Team Waco made their challenge. They had a rough start, and now they're making their comeback. They're back on the podium spot, if I'm not mistaken. But lots of action.
Quad Brando, Pete Carmine, and Team Vigos is sponsored by our figures for the OMG. They are crushing it right now. Shout out to Team Velocity.